my two friends a place with a package of 30 to 40 LPA.
So you would be building iOS applications as well?
Yeah, iOS applications and websites and many other things that our faculties help on.
How has been your learning curve in terms of, are you enjoying the kind of work that you're doing here?
It's been great experience learning from the teacher.
With the practical everything and practical knowledge with the theory knowledge, so of course मजा ही मजा है.
The environment here is very competitive, so I have to push myself harder.
सर हैकाथॉन्स एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है स्टूडेंट लाइफ का, जिससे तुम्हें ना तो अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने का चांस मिलता है, साथ ही साथ यू कैन गेट अ प्लेसमेंट और एन इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी एट एनी बिग टेक कंपनी. हैकाथॉन्स मेरे जीवन का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट रही है. आई हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड इन अ लॉट ऑफ हैकाथॉन्स, mentored many hackathons, been a judge at many hackathons, and recently was invited by Government of India for Smart India Hackathon 2024. And today I've been invited to KR Mangalam University for Hack KRMU, where we'll be talking to a lot of students who are here to participate in this hackathon from across the country. And I'm super excited to be here to talk to them, to meet them, as well as enjoy the entire process of hackathon. And you will be seeing in real time how a hackathon looks like, what kind of projects are students building, and how can you also participate in such hackathons. So यार I have with me Vardhan, who has a confectionery business, and इसके confectionery business का नाम भी वरदान है. Let's talk to him. मतलब he's also incubated here. मतलब इसने भी अपना startup शुरू किया था, and now he is running an offline store plus selling it on Zomato and Swiggy. So Vardhan, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Vardhan and I'm currently pursuing BBA in marketing here in KR Mangalam University, and as well as I'm incubated in KEIC Foundation too. So basically, if I just give you the theme of my business, it's basically we serve the most authentic and traditional taste from different states of India, as we source the products from there as well only. And the KIC Foundation has been kept a very major role in our business, that they provided us legal advices and the mentoring session they provided us, the digital sessions, the digital marketing, the AI evolution, they are guiding us. So they are helping us a lot in our business, and they are providing us a space to provide to keep our products. So they are going very good with us.
मजा आ रहा है क्या करने में?
Maza, of course, sir. If you're a student, you are starting a business and you are getting such a mentor sessions with KIC Foundation and in KR Mangalam University with the practical everything and practical knowledge with the theory knowledge. So of course, मजा ही मजा है.
यार यहाँ पे ना बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो हैकाथॉन के लिए वीडियो को देख रहे हैं कि हैकाथॉन में, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी हैकाथन हो रही है, एंड आई वाज हियर फॉर दैट सेशन ओनली मेजरली. तो थॉट ऑफ कि यार देख लेते हैं, मतलब कोई स्टार्टअप वाला बंदा था कि थोड़ी सी और मोटिवेशन मिल पाए स्टूडेंट्स को कि यू कैन बिल्ड एज अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट ऑल्सो. ही स्टिल स्टडिंग, ही इज डूइंग हिज BBA in marketing, and he started his business where he's selling his confectionery products on different marketplaces, as well as he has an offline store also. He's generating a revenue within college. So this is a kind of motivation for each and every one of you who is watching this video. You can also start as early as possible if you are passionate about one particular domain or one particular cause. But yeah, anything else you would like to suggest to people who are watching this video and who are like hesitating to start?
मन है तो कर दो, लॉस होगा देख लेंगे.
So you need to take that risk. You need to start early. That's crucial. That's very important. I also discussed this in my session today. But yeah, thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you, and
Same
all the best for your initiative and startup.
Thank you so much.
You get a chance to talk to a lot of folks, right? तुम्हें पता चलता है कि उनके कॉलेज में क्या हो रहा है at the same time. How can you learn from them? Now you are at this college. कल को तुम you go to some कॉलेज नियर बाय जहाँ पे और कॉलेजेस से टीम्स है, NIT से टीम्स है, IIT से टीम्स है, IIIT से टीम्स है. देन यू विल फिगर आउट कि यार वो क्या एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ रहे हैं जो हम नहीं पढ़ पा रहे, राइट? दैट्स समथिंग दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट हैकाथॉन्स लाइक दीज गिव यू. अब हैकाथॉन में 3-4 चीज़ें होती हैं. सबसे पहले दे हैव गिवन यू प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स. इन्होंने प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट डिफाइंड दी थी, या इट वॉज अप टू यू टू चूज अ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. सो यू पिक अप अ प्रॉब्लम. सबसे पहले हैकाथॉन में वंस यू पिक अप अ प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप? उसके बाद क्या करना होता है? हाउ डू यू फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन? जैसे तुम 4 लोग हो टीम में, हाउ डू यू वैलिडेट दैट नीड? तुम 4 लोगों से जाके पूछोगे अपने कॉलेज में, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर बिल्डिंग अ कॉलेज मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम जो हर चीज़ मैनेज कर रहा है तुम्हारी कॉलेज की, फ्रॉम योर एंट्री एंड एग्जिट टू योर कैंटीन टू योर हॉस्टल्स टू योर entry into classrooms to your food, everything that one app is managing, right? So you're building that college management system. सबसे पहले मार्केट सर्वे करना, मतलब you will see कि यार इसकी नीड है कि नहीं है. जो ऑलरेडी कॉलेज में चल रही प्रॉब्लम्स, चल रही एप्लीकेशन है, आर दे सफिशिएंट? और इफ आई एम बिल्डिंग समथिंग, व्हाट इट कैन ऐड? सो यू नीड टू फाइंड अ डिफरेंशिएटर. सो वंस यू हैव द डिफरेंशिएटर, then you can build upon. There should be somebody, if you have a use case of AI, ML or cloud, cyber security or cloud, you should have somebody who knows that skill Third, you should have somebody who can present your solution well, because hackathons like these, I come to your desk and I ask you to explain. If you're not able to explain your project well to me, then it's a waste of time, right? So your presentation skills should be on point. I think that's one of the most important point when it comes to participating in hackathons. And are you enjoying the hackathon?
Yes.
What has been the most fun thing to learn in this hackathon?
Teamwork, I guess.
Teamwork, like you get to build something together, collaborate on projects.
Collaborate with the people from different places around the world.
So you roamed around the campus. It's your first time here in.
It's my first time at KR Mangalam.
And how has been the facilities in terms of all, like from boarding and lodging to food to equipments to mentorship?
They've been great.
They have been great. Anyone else wants to share something? How has been your hackathon experience?
Great.
And what is one thing that you?
Motivation sessions are there.
Huh?
Lots of motivation sessions are there, and we are get motivated to code and innovate new things.
What is the project that you're building?
We are building a project, AI-based project, which reduces the office politics, the biasing between the employees and the managers.
Wow, a great use case. All the best for your project. What project you are building?
Computer vision libraries with pre-built on-premises models that can be used for actual business purposes, not general purpose models like ChatGPT, AI and all.
So what exactly use case in business?
We have three main go-to-market models. First is one-shot face authentication algorithm.
Okay.
And it's our on-face authentication model that we have also filed for patent.
Great. How many of you think that you can win this hackathon? कितने लोगों को लगता है? Raise your hand.
तेरा दारू कहाँ से लाना?
वो भी मिल जाएगी.
क्या करना है? अच्छा मैंने.
सब लोगों को लगता है? Yes, you want to say something?
So hello, I am Harsh and I am from KR University, and the experience in this hackathon was really good for me. Like there are 36 universities which has participated in this hackathon, and there are exciting prizes like first prize 50,000 rupees, second prize is 25 and 10,000, and there are multiple track prizes and the prize pool of 5 lakh. And the experience here is very awesome. Like the mentors from industry, the mentors from the college are really good, and the support from the faculty, the support from our coordinator, student coordinator are really good. All the management are really good over here, and I really like the experience.
सर हमने हैकाथॉन में बहुत सारे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे जो जेन एआई यूज कर रहे थे, जेन एआई के डिफरेंट यूज केसेस पे काम कर रहे थे. एंड आजकल तो स्पोर्ट्स में भी यार आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस जेन एआई यूज हो रहा है. रिसेंटली आई वाज सीइंग अ स्टार्टअप, people have built something, a wearable जो sportmen tie it up and that can take different parameters, उनका body temperature, उनकी speed, उनका velocity, वो किस angle से move कर रहे हैं, ये सारे data points को use करके you can make certain predictions. सर AI की different algorithms तो हम पढ़ ही चुके हैं, but different use cases of Gen AI हम कैसे जो नए tools आ रहे हैं and how can we use them and how we can integrate those in our already made projects. तो ये सारी चीज़ों को भी तुम एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो अगर तुम हैकाथन में पार्ट लेने वाले हो बहुत जल्दी. ज़्यादा चांसेस ये होते हैं कि अगर तुम कोई रियल टाइम यूज केस देखना, रियल वर्ल्ड यूज केस देखो एंड उस पर अपना प्रोजेक्ट बिल्ड करो. दैट मेक्स मोर सेंस एंड जजेस भी उससे ज़्यादा इंप्रेस होते हैं. So we are in the IBM sponsored lab and I have somebody with me who will tell us more about what she does in this lab. So can you please briefly introduce yourself?
My name is Divya Agarwal, and in this lab, actually this is IBM sponsored lab. So basically we do all the coding sessions and coding related work here.
And how, like when did you start? Was this lab a part of your semester here?
Yeah, it is from first semester itself. So our course is IBM related course. So from first semester itself, we are being related to IBM Industry Mentor, our teacher. And every semester, we have been doing industry related work.
And what all specific skill set that you're working on here? Any tech skills that you're learning here?
Yeah, first we started with Python itself, related to basic Python coding. Then it was for plotting, Matplotlib, NumPy and related. And next it was for R programming.
Any like how has been your learning curve from first year till now? You're in which year now?
I'm in second year right now.
You're in second year, right? So you have spent 1 year. So how has been your learning? How has been your learning curve in terms of, are you enjoying the kind of work that you're doing here? How is this eventually going to help you in your career?
First, when I started, it was really new for me, and I think it has all been upward curve only from first year itself, and it's been great experience learning from the teacher.
Great. I think thank you so much. It was great talking to you. Hi. So can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Devraj Singh. I am from KR Mangalam University. I am a second year student in BCA, specialization in AI and DS.
Which is your dream company to work for?
My dream company to work for is Google or either Amazon also. Basically, great infrastructure in both companies and a great lifestyle. I've also seen in social media a lot.
And what kind of skills are you building to get into these companies?
The skills I'm trying to build are machine learning and AWS, which will also help me get into Amazon, and a lot of other coding skills like Python and full stack web development that will also help me a lot. And
I can see a lot of iMacs here. So what this lab is known as? I can see a very good infrastructure.
This is the one and only Mac lab in KR Mangalam University. Over here at Mac lab, our faculties help us perform many activities like coding sessions, assignments.
So you would be building iOS applications as well?
Yeah, iOS applications and websites and many other things that our faculties help on. Not just sessions or teaching sessions, but also some exams, coding exams, online exams, and when there is time for our final practical exams, they are also happening here in our
So there's a hackathon going on for which I was here. Like, are you participating in that hackathon?
I participated in the previous hackathon, Hack Academy 3.0, in which I placed second.
Oh.
I was second in that hackathon, and it was great experience. A lot of competition, a lot of students. So this year I saw the competition. Much more teams than last time.
Year, yeah.
So yeah, the competition is
fierce and everyone was very excited.
Yeah,
I just went for this session.
A lot of students from Panipat and many other cities as well. Last time there were also. So
yeah, I can see a lot of students from Himachal.
As a previous year winner, I know what kind of joy it brought me. Because when we won, we were KR Mangalam's first team to win a Hack KRMU. So I still remember the feeling. Whenever I go there, I see the students, I see the young ones, the juniors, the progress they are making.
What kind of companies come to this college for placements? Like, how are placements here?
A lot of companies come for placement drives, internships and recruitments, many other things. Like yesterday, some people were here from Learning Roots, if you know, and they were here for recruitments.
Cool. Yeah. From like, it's a startup, right? It's an edtech startup. But yeah, it was great talking to you. I think the infra here is something that I like the most, and the kind of environment and opportunities that you get while building on iOS and Apple ecosystem, that's great. Thank you so much. It was great talking to you.
No problem.
Hi, so can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. My name is Charu and I am a final year student of BTech CSC, and I'm studying in KR Mangalam University.
How are placements at KR Mangalam University?
They are very nice. Recently, my two friends are placed in Autodesk with a package of 30 to 40 LPA, and I have been placed in AMV Global. It is an Australian-based company, and it has very related companies like AMV Investment and Tulip Homes.
Got it. And otherwise, like, what is something that you like about your university and something that you don't?
Things I like about my university are like they provide good mentorship, industry exposure, and teachers and mentors are really good. They help in everything.
And something that you don't like?
Sometimes they're a little bit strict related to studies. Overall, the university and campus and the culture is very good.
So I think at some point strictness is somehow necessary so that you are in discipline and things are aligned and parallel.
Yes.
Any piece of advice for somebody who is looking out for a placement like this?
So if somebody is looking for placement, they should be regularly in contact with the placement team, because you never know when you will get the
How are career services here at placement? Like, how do you get to apply for different companies, know about different companies?
So we have particular groups, and the placement team circulate notice in which we have to register, and after get registered, when the drive date is scheduled, They make a WhatsApp group or they send email and the process starts.
So how has been the support from your career development center?
It's very nice. They provide training also.
They provide you specific training, those
Yeah,
skill
tech
sets,
trainings, yes.
tech training as well as
And
soft skills that are required for acing those interviews for these big tech companies. Now, overall, if you would like to recommend this university to somebody on a scale of 10, what would be the number?
8.
8. Cool. It was great talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, so can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Garima. I study in Kerala University.
So, if we talk about placements, right, how are placements here at your university?
Sir, so many reputed companies come to our university like IBM, Autodesk and many more, and one of my friends is actually working in Autodesk at like 40 LPA, I think. It's amazing.
The 40 LP just out of college is amazing.
Yes, sir.
Like how long you have been in this college? Like
So it's my final year.
it's your final year,
Yeah.
so you have already spent your life here in college.
Yeah.
How has been your experience here? At
Amazing, sir. Actually, I am also in the dance school in Labyrinth, and everything is just amazing. The faculty and everything. And talking about placements as well, I was also working in Purple Wings Entertainment. It was an amazing journey जो मैंने यहाँ पे बिताई, and talking about food, talking about the sports, talking about the teachers and everything.
So you get a mix of both cultural as well
Yes.
as technical as well as soft skill development at
Yes,
one
sir.
place. Anything that you don't like about your college?
Sir, the environment here is very competitive, so I have to push myself harder to get on the track and beat the heat.
मेहनत ज़्यादा करनी पड़ती है
Yeah,
क्योंकि
बहुत
हर कोई उस फाइट में है ना. So
बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ी, even in the dance field or even
मतलब
in my
whatsoever.
studies. Yeah, sir,
हर
whatsoever.
जगह competition
Everything,
होता है.
मतलब हर जगह बहुत ज़्यादा competition है.
I think it was great talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
तो आपने ये तो देख लिया होगा कि हैकाथॉन में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए आपको 4 स्टेप प्रोसेस फॉलो करना होता है. सबसे पहले एक अच्छा आइडिया ढूंढना, उस पर ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करना है. सेकंड, आपको एक टीम बनानी है जो अच्छी टीम हो, मिक्स्ड वैरायटी वाली टीम हो, जिसमें हर टाइप का बंदा हो, टेक से भी हो, नॉन टेक से भी हो, समबडी यू कैन प्रेजेंट वेल. थर्ड चीज जो है वो है तुम्हारी प्रेजेंटेशन, जो कि क्रिस्प होनी चाहिए विद फ्लो चार्ट्स, विद डायग्राम. एंड फाइनल चीज, तुम्हारी प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए अलॉन्ग विद द काइंड ऑफ POC दैट यू बिल्ड. तो ये 4 स्टेप्स हैं. आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर बिल्डिंग ऑन दिस. मेनी बिगिनर प्रोजेक्ट्स आई सॉ, मेनी इंटरमीडिएट टू एडवांस प्रोजेक्ट्स आल्सो आई सॉ, बट ओवरऑल इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस टॉकिंग टू स्टूडेंट्स एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग देम, अंडरस्टैंडिंग their problems and in general what all things need to be done. I hope you enjoyed the video, and for more such amazing videos make sure you do check out the channel. And if you're looking out for building, or if you're looking out for many more hackathons, stay tuned because we'll be coming up with many more such hackathon videos.